Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a come shopping with me. It's a bit of a spontaneous video. So basically I was down in Kensington today and I was just off to the Design Museum actually. I went to the electronic exhibition this morning, but on the way out heading back to the station I did spy Wilko's. So I thought it would be rude not to swing in as we've got back to school, as we've got lots of new things coming into store, and have a quick look around with you. So I dived in, took the phone, mask on of course, anti-bac, all that good stuff, and I filmed everything that I thought you might be interested in. They've got some good deals on at the moment in the cleaning department and also in the stationery with back to school as well. Lots of great offers. I spied some good prices, which I think you'll love. So if you've got a Wilko's near you, it's very windy today, then hopefully this will be useful to you. So we'll jump straight in. If you're new, do click subscribe for new videos every single week. And if you enjoy this spontaneous, naughty shorty, come shopping in Wilko's with me, then do give this video a little thumbs up. Hope it's not too windy for you, where you are. Let me know how the weather is where you are. Let's jump in and see what's in Wilko's. And as I say, this is the Wilko Kensington High Street store. So the first thing that I spied was this space boosting dish drainer. So if you don't have too much space on your draining board, you might want to add one of these onto the side for a bit of extra dish draining space. They also had some collapsible washing up bowls. Again, really handy if you're short of space. More space saving ideas with these over the door pan lid holders. They also had some racks that will fit inside of your cupboards, some here for cleaning products as well. They had lots of nice wooden chopping boards in store, and right the way across the kitchen range they have 25% off. These storage jars can be handy for things like pasta, baking ingredients, and they had some lovely mugs in store as well. Hello, gorgeous. These ones reminded me of an anthropology style mug with this lovely glazed design. They also had some lovely ones with animals on as we're heading into autumn. And yeah, really nice variety of different mugs, and the prices were fab. I love this hedgehog one at just £2. They had loads of refillable water bottles in store at £5 each. These are the metal ones, so really good, long lasting. They also had these Ottomans. Now my friend Luke swears by these. He's got a couple of these, even out on his balcony as well. Loads of storage space in these, and these were £15 for the larger size and £10 for the cube size. Had wipe down tablecloths in some quite nice designs if you've got any parties or hosting or that sort of thing. And they also had slow cookers in store at £25. I thought these were really good for, I think it's 3.5 litres for those. And I've got loads of slow cooker recipes on my channel if you're interested in those as we head into autumn. They had some lovely designs on shower curtains from £5. I particularly liked the leaf print one. And they've got lots of sticky backed vinyl and plastic. So if you're upcycling any furniture, that could be a great place to head to. I've always found their photo frames and picture frames in Wilko's to be a really good price, and they're good quality. They are built to last. I've got a few from here and they have lasted me a good few years as well. So worth checking them out if you've got any prints that you're looking to frame anytime soon. I mean, £2 for these smaller ones, as you can see, really good prices of frames in store. They also had some good value wall clocks as well. I haven't really got a clock up on the wall, but I thought these were really good at just £3 each for this slightly vintage design. And again, more discounts across the store. They had 25% off the marked price on lots of their bedding. So if you're looking to refresh your bedding, maybe you need some more fitted sheets. I really liked these waffle duvet sets. These were £25 each for a double set, or £30 for a king size. They remind me of hotels. I thought they were lovely. They had some really nice lanterns in store. These ones were quite a decent size at £8 each in gold, black and white. And they had the classic white church style candles at various different heights, as well as these really nice simple candlesticks at just £2 each. They've got lots of new artificial succulents in stores and cacti. Really nice pots on these as well. I thought they looked lovely. And these are around the £4 mark as well. If you do want to check out my Poundland video, that is on the way. That will be coming to you very soon, where we will be taking a look at all of the new Poundland homeware, which does include some fake plants. And the prices are a little bit cheaper than these ones, but the quality, I would say, is probably on a similar scale as well. Lots of different vases in store and these nice metal jugs at £6 each in lots of different colours. And these plant pots caught my eye. These are great for indoor plants, so they don't have drainage holes, but you can pop a plant into one of these at £2 each. I thought they were very, very stylish indeed. Lots of stationery in store. I absolutely love these Bics with the 4 colours. They had different colourways and different options of colours across the range of those. We've got Papermate pens, all discounted as well. So some really great prices. If you're looking for biros that are going to write nicely, I do recommend these ones. I think they're fab. And who remembers these Beryl handwriting pens? These take me back. I remember writing with those at school. And they write really nicely, don't they? So even if you're not heading back to school anytime soon, maybe a nice one to pop with your greetings cards and that sort of thing, so you can write some nice messages in those. Lots of different coloured Sharpies in store and highlighters as well. All discounted. And this is my favourite part. It's the pick and mix. Now, school holiday time, they normally do have half price pick and mix. That was a mouthful. I wouldn't mind a mouthful of these. I'm just showing you some of my favourites here. I love the white mice. I love these things. What are they called? Strawberry rockets. That's the ones. Absolutely delicious. But we're stepping away from the pick and mix and we're looking at pens again. I'm not sure what's happening. We're back on the Bics. But look at those colourways. That just fills me with joy. They've got pastel shades on a multi-Bic. What's not to love? These are very much the classic one of each colour. If you've got some revision to do, you've got to cross some things out, great for ticking off when you've got the red, green, blue and black options. Now, command strips are reduced in store as well. These can be quite pricey, so those were around half price. Great value in Wilko's, so do shop around for those because they can really add up. I like the colours of these lamps at £5 each. We have this lovely dusky pink, very pale pink, and a yellow mustard style one. And then I thought these lamps were very nice as well. So these are £10 each. They've got them in this copper colour, also in the black. And they had the tall version. So a lot of you have asked me in the past where I got my tall lamps in the bedroom from. They're at either side of the bed. Mine were from Sainsbury's Home in the sale. I think I paid around £12 for them in the sale. These are £15 each, so good value. Now these bins, I've spoken about these on Instagram. I'm not a fan. I step on the pedal and the whole bin flips up. So they're not for me, but if you're into those, if you need one for your bathroom, then £5 each. This bedding looks incredibly cosy, £15 for a single set. Would be really nice for a kid's bedroom, keep them nice and warm in the winter months. We also have wooden coat hangers, £2.75 for 5. Those would look fab on an open rail, wouldn't they? Keep it nice and uniform. And then we have 12-piece dinner sets. And again, really good value. I think they were £12 if I caught that correctly. And then white pieces of crockery at £1 each. So if you're looking to mix and match, those could be a good option for you. Slightly more for the grey ones. I think we're starting at £1.50 for those. A few items have gone into the sale as well. These nice storage jars at £4 each. And some speckled effect plates, £1.50 each, and then £1 for the smaller ones and the bowls, and then some with some nice fern leaf designs on them as well. Thought the glaze on these looks really nice. And we're on to the cleaning section. So we have some good offers in terms of laundry detergent, in terms of unstoppables, and we've got all sorts going on in here. Half price Lenore scent boosters, £3. That seems like good value to me. I do think it is worth shopping around for these sort of things, knowing your prices and knowing how they compare. I'll often get the Lidl own brand, I'll be honest with you, but I do really like Unstoppables as well, just to give it that extra boost. And look at all these different scents of Febreze. I just thought I'd pan along here, but I also spied these. These are Botanica, and I've never seen those before, so let me know if you've tried them and if they're any good. We also have more Febreze room sprays. We've got air mists in frosted pine, some nice different scents coming into store as we do head into autumn and winter. There's a spiced apple there as well, which caught my eye. And if you've got pets, they've got half price on these ones that just probably have a little bit more of a boost in them to eliminate any of those odours. And I spied that Unstoppables are also doing a spray now, so I'd like to try that. I do love the smell of those. And loads more scents in the Glade varieties as well. What have we got going on here? Relaxing Zen. Just trying to spot that we've got pure clean linen. You can't go wrong with that. Now this is something that I've picked up. It's the Febreze bathroom air freshener. I think it was Freya recommended that one, and I've got it actually on the stairs when you come in. And it just gives you a really nice clean blast of nice smelling fresh air. It smells really fresh. So I've popped mine in the hallway. It's just nice when people walk in and it's immediately smelling really good. Good prices on the Viacal. This stuff is fab if you've got a bit of a lime scale issue like I have in the hard water area. Pink stuff, it was on offer. You could get 2 for £1.50, I think that was. What a bargain. And they've got a eco-friendly cleaning range as well. I haven't tried these yet, but we've got things like bathroom cleaners with recycled bottles. We've got loads of different original products in stores such as white vinegar, the old classics, bicarb, soda crystals, all that good stuff. So if you're looking for slightly more eco-clean, there's plenty of options in store for you as well. We've got these flash mops. I've not tried those before. Are they a gimmick or are they any good? Let me know if you've got one. I do love a bit of shake and vac. Put the freshness back. And we've gone sideways. I need to sort this out. I don't know what's happened. That was a mistake. Onto some new brushes that I've spied. I've got one of those glide brushes. Those are actually 100% recyclable plastic, which is fab. And this heavy duty brush caught my eye. This is £5 and it's a massive one. So you've got loads of leaves on your doorstep, in your back garden. That might be perfect for you. We're now in the face aisle. What am I calling it? The face aisle. The the beauty aisle. I was just seeing what offers they've got in there for you, but we've moved on. So you can go back and have a look at those if you're into moisturiser. The simple products are fab, by the way. But we're back in this sort of stationery area where they've got kind of all the basics. If you need things like scissors, staples, paper clips, that sort of thing. They're always good value in Wilko's, I find. And these ones are a little bit more interesting, aren't they? Who gets excited about stationery? Look at those highlighters. Pastels, we've got the bright ones, the classics. And then we've got some fun notebooks as well. I'm on a notebook ban at the moment. Anybody else? I've got hundreds of them, so I'm holding off. I'm going to use up the ones that I've got already. I've said that so many times and they always end up in my basket, but they didn't on this occasion. I was very restrained. More files and that sort of thing. So if you're looking to get organised, autumn's a great time to start organising your paperwork. And they've also got these weekly planners at just £4 each. Wipe clean, really handy to pop up in the kitchen. Now, Wilko's is a great place for any DIY supplies as well. I've bought lots of bits from there in the past. You may have seen my kitchen cupboard painting video that I did a good couple of years ago now, and I did use Wilko's cupboard paint and also Wilko's primer. I absolutely swear by that paint. It has lasted, it hasn't chipped. It's been fab. But they're also great for all these random little bits and pieces like nuts and bolts, any hooks you might need as well. Just got distracted by the hand wash there, 2 for £1.80, what a bargain. If you're looking to get some wildlife into your garden, they had a really good selection of different feeders. This one caught my eye for cakes and scraps, or if you burn your toast, could you pop that in? I guess you could if you scraped it off. Birds might like a little bit of scraped burnt toast. I don't know what I'm talking about. We're on to the furniture and cupboard paint here. So this is the one that I actually used. This is satin mineral stone. That's the colour that I used, £10 a tin. They also have the primer in store. So there we go. Also, I'm vlogging on my phone. I don't know if you can tell, but there we are. So any of you that have been thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you don't have a camera, if you have an iPhone, this is what you could do. Let me know down in the comments if anything caught your eye. What item was your favourite, or did you spy any good bargains? I really hope you enjoyed this look around Wilko's with me from a very windy London today. And yeah, I'll be back soon with another video for you. But I just thought, here we are, Naughty Shorty. Why not? Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget you can always catch me over on Instagram. It's Mr. Carrington or Mr. Carrington Home. My hairspray is working, just about. Hair is still intact. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go. I've got a coffee. I'm gonna enjoy that. And I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.